Dear students, welcome to Divya English Speaking Academy's online class. First of all, I want you to give your short introduction.
My name is Manya Chauhan. I study in class 3rd. My hobby is to play, reading and singing. My school name is Ford Academy. I am from Dehradun.
Okay, how many sounds vowel A has?
5 sounds.
What are they?
O, A, E, O.
A.
Examples are car, has, market.
Okay, very good. Appreciate you.
I'm learned in this class English alphabet. How many consonants in the English alphabet and how many vowels are there in English alphabet and how many sounds have a. He is my friend. Is he my friend? No.
No. You have to practice it.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Satvik. I am from India.
Learn in today's class.
I learn consonants, sounds,
Okay,
6 sentences.
6 sentences. Okay, speak 6 sentences. He is a doctor.
He is a doctor. He is not a doctor. Is he a doctor? Is he not a doctor? Why is he a doctor? Why is he not a doctor?
Very good.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sarvi Ghosh. I am from Jodhpur. I am 8 years old. I study in 3rd class. My school name is Army Public School. My father name is Mr. Bishajit Ghosh. My mother name is Mrs. Shutapa Ghosh. My father is a army man. My mother is a housewife. My hobbies are singing a song and playing. I want to become scientist. Nice to meet you. Thank you, sir. Hi. Hi. What is your name? My name is Manya Chauhan. What your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. What your hobbies? My hobby is to play, sing and reading. What is your father's name? My father's name is Dikpal Singh Chauhan.
Mr. Once again.
Mr. Dikpal Singh Chauhan. How old are you? I am 7 years old. My name is Tejasvi Bhushan Kharabe. I am from Nagpur. My father name is Bhushan Kharabe. My mother name is Rupali Kharabe. My name is Viswa. I am studying in UKG. My school name is Santi School. I promise you that I will come back tomorrow morning. It is for my baby. See, the tiger was pleased by her sincerity, morality, and honesty. Now, the tiger promised the cow that I will not harm you anymore. You can go back to your home. The cow happily went to its home and lived happily. So the moral of the story is honesty is the best policy.
Hello Aradhana.
How are you?
I am fine. What's about you?
I'm also fine. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing Ludo and watching phone.
How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
Okay. Why do you like to play Ludo? Why do you like to play Ludo?
It's not special one, but when I'm free, so I'm thinking that I'm playing Ludo.
What is your name? My name is Mani Chauhan. How old are you? I am 7 years old. Which class do you study? I study in third class. What is your school name? My school name is Mount Fort Academy.